Number 1, 1948, Chevrolet Street Rod. Price, $27,000. Located in Glenmore, Pennsylvania, this 1948 Chevrolet Street Rod presents a stylish blend of classic post-war design and dependable modern upgrades, making it a highly appealing choice for collectors who value comfort, reliability, and unique street rod styling. Finished in fresh yellow paint, the body shows clean lines and smooth surfaces, enhanced by shaved door handles that give it a sleek, custom look. Beneath the hood sits a 305 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a proven combination known for solid performance and easy maintenance. The vehicle features power steering, power brakes, power windows, and power seats, offering a level of convenience not commonly found in vehicles from this era. Air conditioning and heat are also installed, making this Chevrolet suitable for a variety of driving conditions throughout the year. The tan interior provides a warm contrast to the bright exterior, and the cabin feels comfortable and well-maintained. A new AGM battery has recently been installed, ensuring dependable starting power. This street rod runs and drives great, reflecting the care given to its mechanical upkeep. The seller states that they will not respond to common automated questions and emphasizes that they do not need help selling the car. A possible trade may be considered for something of equal value, though boats and motorcycles are not of interest. The seller mentions a back issue that prevents them from enjoying the car, making this a good opportunity for someone seeking a ready-to-drive classic that combines vintage charm with modern functionality. Overall, this 1948 Chevrolet Street Rod represents an attractive mix of performance, comfort, and customization. Number 2, 1948 Gentleman's Hot Rod Lincoln Restored. Price, $35,000. Located in Toms River, New Jersey, this 1948 Gentleman's Hot Rod Lincoln Restored is a uniquely crafted, show-quality build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate classic luxury blended with modern drivability. Presented as a one-of-a-kind creation, this Lincoln offers the distinctive elegance of late 1940s American styling while incorporating updates that make it capable of being driven anywhere with confidence. The restoration focuses on sophistication, comfort, and smooth performance, turning the car into a true gentleman's cruiser that stands apart from typical street rods. Every visible detail suggests that the build was executed with care, precision, and an eye for style, making it suitable for car shows, weekend events, or long scenic drives. The exterior maintains the iconic long-body Lincoln proportions, enhanced by subtle custom touches that complement its vintage appeal. The car's stance, trim, and paintwork reflect a meticulous effort to elevate its original design. Inside, the cabin delivers an upscale experience with materials and finishes chosen to capture a refined atmosphere reminiscent of classic luxury vehicles. Mechanically, the Resto-Mod is built for reliability, featuring upgrades that ensure smooth handling, strong power delivery, and consistent road manners. The seller notes that there is too much to list, which hints at an extensive amount of work and customization invested into the build. While specific mechanical details are not fully provided, the assurance that this is a drive-anywhere vehicle reinforces its reliability and overall quality. Trades and offers are welcomed, and serious inquiries are encouraged. This Lincoln Restored stands as an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a rare, stylish, and exceptionally crafted classic. Number 3, 1947 Ford Custom Deluxe Street Rod. Price, $17,500. Located in Highland Lakes, New Jersey, this 1947 Ford Custom Deluxe Street Rod delivers an appealing combination of nostalgic late 40s styling and modern performance enhancements, making it a practical yet exciting choice for street rod enthusiasts. With 16,000 miles since completion, it presents as a well-used but well-maintained custom vehicle built for both enjoyment and regular cruising. The striking blue exterior is complemented by a 4 inches chop top, giving the car a dramatically lower, sleeker profile that sets it apart from original models. Frenched headlights and taillights, along with shaved chrome, further enhance its clean custom aesthetic. Under the hood resides a 350 engine equipped with a mild cam and headers, paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission and a Chevy rear end, offering dependable V8 power with smooth shifting and solid rear-wheel performance. Power windows, power brakes, and power rack and pinion steering increase comfort and usability, while the tilt wheel adds additional driving convenience. New tires add confidence on the road, ensuring the street rod is ready for extended cruising. The gray interior complements the exterior nicely and offers a comfortable cabin with classic street rod flair. While the seller mentions that the vehicle runs well, it may need some additional work, a common trait among older custom builds, which gives the next owner the opportunity to personalize and refine the car to their liking. Overall, this 1947 Ford Custom Deluxe Street Rod represents an accessible entry into the world of vintage hot rods with strong visual appeal and solid mechanical fundamentals. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $26,000. Location, Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery. Price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan Delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe. Price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod, price $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Goodyear's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, Chrome, $36,500, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe is a standout classic that blends old-school craftsmanship with modern performance upgrades, resulting in a highly capable street machine with show-quality appeal. Driven just over 11,000 miles, it remains in strong running condition, supported by an automatic transmission and a well-balanced mechanical setup, finished in a striking green exterior with a clean black interior. This coupe delivers the right mix of vintage attitude and updated comfort. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of a custom trailer, making it ideal for owners who enjoy attending car shows or long-distance events. The car rides on an independent front suspension paired with a 1965 Corvette rear end, giving it impressive road manners compared to many traditional hot rods. Power comes from a new 383 Blueprint motor with only 600 miles on it, equipped with new dual sniper fuel injection for smooth throttle response and increased efficiency. Additional upgrades include new vintage air with heat, ensuring comfort in varying weather conditions. Originally built in 1978, the car carries decades of history while benefiting from continuous updates. The steel body and glass fenders provide both authenticity and durability. The seller notes that the driving lights do not go with the car overall. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe represents a well-upgraded, well-maintained classic that is fully ready for cruising, showing, and long-term enjoyment. Number 11. 1932 Ford Roadster, $50,000, Hingham, Massachusetts. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a beautifully maintained and well-built example of a Brookville steel body hot rod, offering classic aesthetics paired with strong modern performance. Driven only 8,000 miles, the car presents in very good condition with a clean title and no significant mechanical issues or damage. The exterior is finished in a bold blue that perfectly complements its iconic roadster styling, while the gray interior provides a refined and comfortable driving environment. Power is supplied by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over its lively and responsive performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the drivetrain with dependable strength, making the car both reliable and enjoyable for long cruises or weekend events. The Roadster also includes a rod-tops roof with zip-in side windows, offering flexibility for open-air driving or enclosed protection as needed. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great but simply isn't being used enough, prompting the sale. Trades may be considered, though boats and motorcycles are specifically excluded. This 1932 Ford Roadster strikes an ideal balance between heritage styling, modern drivability, and steel body authenticity. It is highly appealing to collectors, hot rod enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a classic that's ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of performance parts and timeless design ensures long-term value and pride of ownership. Number 12, 1947, Ford Street Rod. Price, $33,500. Located in Eminence, Kentucky, this 1947 Ford Street Rod is a beautifully assembled custom convertible featuring a Carson-style top and a carefully selected combination of performance upgrades. Built with attention to detail, this Ford stands out as a well-balanced hot rod designed for both stylish cruising and reliable operation. Powered by a 406 small-block engine, it offers strong acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note. Paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivers smooth shifting and comfortable driving for both short trips and extended rides. The exterior features classic late 1940s Ford lines enhanced by custom touches, including Frenched antennas, new chrome bumpers, a chrome Cadillac grille, and a fully chromed engine bay. A Mustang front end and chrome Jaguar rear end offer improved suspension geometry, giving the car modern handling characteristics while maintaining vintage appeal. The vehicle's aluminum fuel tank with filler necks on both sides adds practical convenience. Inside, the custom interior offers comfort and style, including high-quality upholstery and a thoughtful layout. Air conditioning enhances usability in warmer climates, while the convertible top adds seasonal versatility. The seller emphasizes that the car is built correctly, suggesting strong craftsmanship and careful mechanical execution. Although originally listed in Frankfurt, the car is actually located in Eminence, Kentucky. The seller encourages calls only, no texts, and provides specific contact times out of respect for schedules. Overall, this 1947 Ford Street Rod is a well-built, visually striking, and mechanically sound classic ready for enjoyment and admiration.